Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem to simplify this 4th root of 28 minus 16 square root of 3. In the first step, this is equals to 4th root of 28, and we can write 28 as 16 plus 12 and minus 16 square root of 3. And in next step, this is equals to 4th root of 16 plus 12 and minus, in here we can write this 16 as 2 times 4 times 2, right? And times the square root of 3. And this is equals to 4th root of 16 plus 12 and minus 2 times 4 times. In here we can write these 2 as square root of 4, right? And times square root of 3. And in next step, this is equals to 4th root of 16 plus 12 minus 2 times 4 times square root of 4 times square root of 3. It will be square root of 4 times 3, and it will be 12. So in next step, this is equals to 4th root of, in here we can write this 16 as 4 to power of 2, and plus also for this 12 we can write square root of 12 to power of 2, and minus 2 times 4 times square root of 12. So if you look at this carefully, this is in the form of a square plus b square and minus 2ab, and this is equals to a minus b to power of 2, right? Which is a is 4 and b is square root of 12. So in next step we can write 4th root of, and we write this in this form: a is 4 and minus b is square root of 12 and to power of 2, and this is equals to 4 minus square root of 12 to power of 2, and here we can write this square root and as the power of 1 over 4, right? So in here this is equals to 4 minus square root of 12 and to power of 2 times 1 over 4, 2 times 1 over 4, and it will be 4 minus square root of 2 to power of 2 times 1 over 4, it will be 1 over 2, or square root of 4, square root of 12, right? In here we have square root of 12 and 4 minus square root of 12. So in next step, this is equals to square root of 4 minus, we can write square root of 12 as square root of 4 times 3, right? So this is equals to square root of 4 minus square root of 4 is 2, so it will be 2 square root of 3. And in next step, this is equals to square root of, we can write 4 in here as 3 plus 1 and minus 2 square root of 3. And in next step, this is equals to square root of, in here we can write 3 as square root of 3 to power of 2, and plus we can write 1 as 1 to power of 2, and minus, in here we can write this as 2 times square root of 3 and times 1, right? So in next step, this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, and is equals to a minus b to power of 2, which is a in here is square root of 3 and b in here is 1. So we write this in this form, and it will be square root of a minus b, a is square root of 3 minus b. B is 1 to power of 2. And here, this power will cancel this square root, and it will be absolute value of square root of 3 minus 1. And this is positive, right? Square root of 3 minus 1 is positive, so this is equals to square root of 3 minus 1. So our answer for fourth root of 28 minus 16 square root of 3 is equals to square root of 3 minus 1. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.